Preposition plus noun combinations. First, in time, in place, in trouble, in danger, in love, in progress, in charge, in advance, in general, in common. Next, on time, on purpose, on holiday, on sale, on fire, on foot, on business, on the way, on the internet, on TV. Next, at home, at work, at school, at night, at risk, at war, at peace, at the moment, at random, at first. Next, by chance, by accident, by force, by hand, by heart, by law, by mistake, by surprise, by the sea, by all means. Next, for sale, for example, for sure, for fun, for real, for a change, for good, for granted, for hire, for a living. Next, with care, with respect, with interest, with ease, with patience, with pleasure, with purpose, with regard, with joy, with caution. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the follow button for more videos. Have a great day.